Learn English conversation, listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. Native English speak. I'm very busy. Native English speak.
I'm swamped.
I'm very tired. Native English speak.
I'm worn out.
I'm very drunk. Native English speak.
I'm hammered.
I'm very hungry. Native English speak.
I'm starving.
I'm sleepy. Native English speak.
I'm drowsy.
I have no money. Native English speak.
I'm broke.
I can't eat any more. Native English speak.
I'm stuffed.
I'm very thirsty. Native English speak.
I'm parched.
I need to pee a lot. Native English speak.
I'm bursting.
I'm a little drunk. Native English speak.
I'm tipsy.
I don't like this. Native English speak.
I prefer something else.
That's a bad idea. Native English speak.
I have some reservations about that ideas.
I'm tired. Native English speak.
I could use some rest.
It's too expensive. Native English speak.
That's outside my budget.
I don't understand. Native English speak.
Could you please clarify that for me?
This is boring. Native English speak.
I find this less engaging.
I don't want to go. Native English speak.
I would prefer to stay.
You're wrong. Native English speak.
I see things differently.
Let's meet today. Native English speak.
Let's catch up today.
I'm very happy. Native English speak.
I'm over the moon.
It's very cold outside. Native English speak.
It's freezing outside.
I don't understand. Native English speak.
Could you please explain it again?
I'm too busy. Native English speak.
I can help you at later time.
No problem. Native English speak.
Happy to help.
I don't know. Native English speak.
I'll find out and get back to you.
Sorry I missed that. Native English speak.
Thanks for catching that.
Sorry to bother you. Native English speak.
Got a minute to chat?
Sorry I'm late. Native English speak.
Thanks for your patience.
You're wrong. Native English speak.
I see it differently.
You should have. Native English speak.
Next time, let's try.
That's not my job. Native English speak.
Let me find the right person to help.
I'm very tired. Native English speak.
I'm exhausted.
Sorry I fell asleep. Native English speak.
Sorry I nodded off.
Good luck, bro. Native English speak.
Break a leg, bro.
Stop wasting time. Native English speak.
Stop faffing around.
You are so lucky. Native English speak.
You are so jammy.
Keep it a secret. Native English speak.
Keep it under wraps.
Leave me alone. Native English speak.
Give me a break.
Goodbye. Native English speak.
I'm off.
I don't care. Native English speak.
See if I care.
Yes. Native English speak.
Yep.
Thanks. Native English speak.
Cheers.
Good. Native English speak.
Amazing.
You're bad. Native English speak.
You're lousy.
I'm fine. Native English speak.
I'm well.
Sorry. Native English speak.
My bad.
No. Native English speak.
Nope.
I love good food. Native English speak.
I'm a foodie.
I like to go to bed. Native English speak.
I'm a night owl.
I like to wake up early. Native English speak.
I'm an early bird.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.